Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us learn how to multiply two decimal numbers. Say we have 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. Let us check the expanded form of 0.1. We know that 0.1 can be written as 1 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 10. So, 0.1 into 0.1 is same as writing 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Multiply the numerators, we get 1, and multiply the denominators, we get 100. Now convert 1 by 100 to its decimal form, it will be 0.01. So this is the required product of 0.1 into 0.1. Let us check another example. We have 0.2 into 0.3. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10 and 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. Now multiply the two fractions. Multiply the numerator, we get 6 by 100, which is same as 0.06. This multiplication can also be understood in a different manner. Let us take an example and understand. Say we have to multiply 1.2 with 2.5. The first step that we can do is that ignoring the decimal points, just multiply 12 with 25. We will get 12 into 25 equal to 300. Now check how many digits are there after the decimal in both the numbers. We have one number and another number, means total two numbers are there after the decimal points. So from the ones place digit of 300, move the decimal towards left 1, 2 places. This will give us 1.2 into 2.5 equal to 300, and moving the decimal 2 places 1 and 2 means 3.00 as the required answer. Let us do another example with the same method. 2.5 into 1.25. So let us first multiply 125 into 25. This gives us 3225. Now let us count the number of digits after the decimal. 1 plus 2 digits is equal to, so total number of digits after the decimal are 3, and hence we will move our decimal 3 points 1, 2, 3 and get the answer as 2.5 into 1.25 is equal to 3.225. If we have to multiply 4 into 2.7, just find out 27 into 4 equal to 108 and write 108 Now count the decimal. There's only one decimal, one digit after the decimal. So move just one digit and put the decimal. That means 4 into 2.7 is equal to 10.8. Let us see what happens if we multiply a decimal number, say 1.76, with 10. Just multiply 176 into 10. This will give us 1760. Now count the number of digits, that is 2, and remove 2 digits and put the decimal. So the answer is 7.60. Now let us check for 1.76 into 100. This will give us 17600, and now we have 2 digits, so shifting 2 points will give the answer as 176.00. Let us check for 1000. We will get, on multiplying, 176,000. Again shifting 2 points because there are 2 digits, 1, 2. This will give us 1760.00. Here we can observe two things. Firstly, the digits of the number which is multiplied by 10 or 100 or 1000 do not change in the answer. 176, 176 is here. And secondly, the decimal point has shifted to the right by 1 digit when multiplied with 10. It has shifted to the right 2 places when multiplied by 100 and 3 places when multiplied by 1000. Hence we can say, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10 or 100 or 1000, the digits in the product are same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many places as there are zeros over 1. That means if I am multiplying 2.97 with 10, my answer will be 297, but the decimal will shift to the right 1 place, hence 29.7. Similarly, 2.97 into 100 will give me 297, shifting the decimal to 2 places as there are 2 zeros, so the answer will be 297.00. Similarly, 2.97 into 1000 will be 297. 3 zeros means shifting the decimal to 3 places. Since there is no third place, we put a 0. Now 1, 2 and 3 places shifting will give us 2970.00. Let us read the question. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeters. Find its perimeter. We know that perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times the length of its side. It is given that length of the side is 3.5 centimeter. So the perimeter will be equal to 3 into 3.5. So let us multiply 35 into 3. This gives us 105. 105. Only one digit after the decimal means shifting the point only one digit. Hence, perimeter is 10.5 centimeters. Let us read the question. The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeters and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? We know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length is given as 7.1 centimeters while the breadth is given as 2.5 centimeters. So the area is equal to 7.1 centimeters into 2.5 centimeter, which is same as writing 7.1 into 2.5 centimeter square. Now simply multiply 71 with 25. This will give us 1775. So we write it here. Now there are two decimal digits, so our decimal will come after two digits, and hence 17.75 centimeter square is the required area.